For 35 years, the Tahoe Yacht Club Foundation has celebrated Lake Tahoe's love affair with gorgeous wooden boats. The Lake Tahoe Concours d'Elegance is a gathering of the finest antique wooden boats in North America, and some say the world. Each year, the event recognizes originality and authenticity among restored and meticulously maintained wooden craft. The 2007 event took place from August 9th to 11th at the Sierra Boat Company in Carnelian Bay, California. The feature class of the 2007 event is boats of the 30s. The event drew in some spectacular entries, including the boat ride you'll see in this video. In addition to boats from 1930 to 1939, there are more than a dozen other classes that boat owners may enter. In all, some 110 to 120 boats enter the competition each year. About 6,000 visitors take part in the weekend event, perhaps trying to catch a glimpse of the Lake Tahoe's fabled Thunderbird, which was once owned by tycoon George Whittle and then Bill Harrah. Whether you enjoy the craftsmanship that goes into these beauties, marvel at the glorious engines, or simply love all things to do with boating on Lake Tahoe, Wooden Boat Week and the Concours d'Elegance are not to be missed.
So, hello everybody, it's a 1929 Packer. No, it's a gentleman that was on the dock. I restored the engine and all the things that make it run.
What's the year?
It's 29. It's a Hacker. It's a 26 foot. I work on a lot of boats. Sometimes it's hard to remember those. John Allen. No, the gentleman that's sitting in the back seat, they're from Minnesota. The owner of this is from Minnesota. It's kept down in the Bay Area in a very nice humidity controlled, temperature controlled garage / boathouse. It's a beautiful place. We should all live so well.